Hi everyone, this is just a quick message just to let you all know that we are starting a new series as of this Sunday. This series is going to be journeying through Mark together, so it's going to be called Journeying Through Mark, and the plan is then, as we come towards Easter, that we will look together at chapters 13 onwards, from Sunday onwards then, and some will be in sermon form, some will be Bible study notes, that we're going to go through until the death and resurrection of Jesus. And the hope is then that we will come to love Jesus more, or even come to love Jesus for the first time. Maybe you haven't even considered, well, why did Jesus have to die on a cross over 2,000 years ago, and what difference does that make to my life? And so hopefully we'll be looking at those questions and hopefully answering those questions for you as well. And it's a great opportunity for us to come and understand more about Jesus, but come to know Jesus as well, and understand that Jesus is still alive today, still at work, and he longs to know us and to have a relationship that lasts forever with us. And so that's the hope then, that we go through Mark together. This isn't just limited to the church, this is for anyone who would like to come along with us. And so if you would like to come along with us, there'll be some, as I said, in sermon forms. It's as easy as subscribing or following us on YouTube, where the sermons and services will come up every Sunday. But other than that, then, the Bible studies are available as well, and there'll be an email address coming up on the screen. It's aaron@pennywellculver.org. Feel free to email me, or even just leave a comment on YouTube or anywhere else, and I'll make sure that you get those resources as they come out. And that's about it, really. So please come along with us if you would like to. Have a good day. I hope you're all well and keeping safe.